From paper to actual manufacturing. Look at this beauty. Time now to manufacture the blowout preventer to go with this beautiful annular. Okay, so we got the material ready, the marking is done. Now I will show you how I am going to manufacture the world's first BOP made out of this aluminium sheet metal. So we'll make a single and then we will join with another single to make the double. So everything is possible. We are trying now to make this blowout preventer. So don't worry, we will get there. Bending of the sheet metal is done. The BOP is now under process of manufacturing. The one and only aluminium BOP is getting ready soon, but surely we will do it as soon as we can. Absolutely amazing, eh? So just showing you what is possible from the paper to an engineering design that we manufactured. Right now we completed a single and we will now place the flange there. Wow. Now looking perfectly okay for me. We will now manufacture the other half and then we will place the annular on top of the blowout preventer. All aluminium, achievable and no brainer, buddy. Thanks guys. Watch the further manufacturing of the double and then we will put it and hang it on the gantry beam where we will start drilling sooner or later. Turning to the right, tool pusher, floor, a single with an annular, and we are now going to do the double and we will lock it up with a single.